Hi, this is Mark Sylvester, the CEO of introNetworks, and I want to show you something new that's been added to NPRN. For those of you who were on the old site, this will look familiar. For those of you that are new, I think you're going to love this. So this is inside the members area. So once you have successfully logged in, you can go over to the members area. And what this is going to do is let you get in touch with other members. It's pretty obvious. There's lots of, over here on the right, you can sort by people who've just joined, newest registered, so you can see who's new. But this is what I want to show you to, is the connections area. So connections is a really nice view of the 50 people that you have things in common with in areas of your passions, your interests, how you can help and where you need help. So you're at the center, and then if you roll over each of these pins, you'll start to see other people that are in the network. So the way you get started, the first time you come in, you'll see a little dialog box on here. Unless you were in the old NPRN and we brought all those tags over. But if you're new, what you'll do is, or if you want to edit your tags, you click this little gear box, and the gear box brings up the tag selector. So the tag selector lets you go and look through the list of words. So if you're interested in, you're passionate about music, you would take that word and you would drag it up to the box. And notice that little indicator there, that indicates how strong of a match to make. And if you want to change, so if you go in and look at your words and there was something that you didn't want in there, for instance, I didn't want cooking in there, I could just take and drop it out of the list just like that. Once you're done with that, by the way, you can change your pin type down here as well. Just click the Save button. So what that does is it saves it, and now my matches, notice, are a little bit different. And if you want to know what the different colored pins are, just click the legend here, and it'll show you the different kinds of pins. So the other way to look at the information is, because it may take you a while to hover all over the pins, is click the list view. So now we can see I've got pages and pages and pages, and my best match is Peggy, and here's Anne. So if I click on this little box, little triangle, we'll see the various words that Anne has selected for her passions, interests, how she could help, where she needs help. And then in color are the words that we have in common. So that's very, very simple. Same way here. So if I select someone, here's Jane, and I click the little triangle, it's going to open up and I'm going to see all of those words, right? So it's very, very clear what's going on. So I can read the things we have in common. So if I want to reach out to Jane, I simply click her name in orange. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring up her profile over here on the left. And now I can do all of the things I'm used to doing. So I can add her as a friend, I could send her a message, I can see what group she's in, the links she has, all of those things are all going to show up over here. So let me show you the last piece, which is searching. So searching is probably the most powerful part of the system. So if I want to search for people who are interested in big ideas and they need help with building a brand, I could select those two words and hit search. You could also search by someone's name, you could see right there. So now it's going to look for people. Now look at that. It quickly found 50 people. Again, I might go to the list view and find out people that had that in their profile. And there's Michelle. I actually know Michelle. So I may, again, click here to see more information about that before I reach out to her. So this is the new connections, which is the introNetworks portion of NPRN. We're very excited about it. If you've got any questions, just ask Ella, and she'll help you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.